You will never achieve your full potential if you don't make time for self-care. We live in a world that constantly demands our attention and energy everywhere we go. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, it's easy to feel pulled in thousands different directions all at once. However, regularly taking time for yourself is absolutely essential for living a balanced, happy, and productive life. In this video, I will explain why self-care and alone time should be a non-negotiable priorities for achieving your goals. I'll discuss the risks of burnouts if you don't recharge, the benefits of solitude for creativity and problem solving, and practical self-care strategies you can use today. And by the end, you understand why you must guard your personal time as fiercely as you do your to-do and non-to-do list in order to be your best self. So whether you feel like you're always busy, but not making progress, or struggling to maintain your energy levels, watch this video to the end. I promise the insight on nurturing yourself will be worth your time and maybe even change your life. Hi, my name is Hardian, and I'm a business coach for busy professionals. We're continually working on improving the integration between their work and their personal life. So now let's start with defining what self-care and alone time actually means. Self-care refers to any activities that you do specifically to take care of your mental, emotional, and physical health. It's about nurturing yourself and doing little things that help you feel good. Alone time is when you spend time by yourself without any other people, technology, or distraction, which allow you to be fully present with your own thoughts. And for example, what I'd like to do for my self-care is I like to go out for a run. Because when I'm running, it's allow me to basically be by myself, no phones, just me with the music on and just run, letting the thoughts go. And another thing that I like to do is reading books or listening to musics and playing music, play piano. So that actually really allowed me to be with myself. And what about you? Just think about the activities what self-care activities that, that make you feel good. It doesn't have to be, expensive or take a long time. Just start being aware of it. And here's the thing: the risk of not taking regular time for your self-care and alone time can actually be serious. Constantly running on empty without recharging really increases your risk of burnout, which is it's a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. It can impact your work and relationship. And some signs of burnouts include fatigue, insomnia, emotional detachment, and reduced motivation. And on the other hand, making self-care a priority has awesome benefits. Study actually shows that activities like meditating, journaling, spending time in nature, practicing gratitude can actually boost and improve your moods, reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleeps, and even make you nicer to be around with. Self-care also sparks creativity. You can think better, and also taking time to relax and recharge allow your mind to make new connections and come up with innovation solutions. And here are some strategies of self-care that you can try. Take a relaxing bath, read the book just for the fun of it, go for a walk by listening to music, do 10-minute yoga or meditation on your lunch break. And for me, exercising too, or spend 30 minutes alone without any screen to journal or simply just being in the moment. And in terms of alone time, here are some strategies that you can try as well. Go for a solo hiking or picnic. Treat yourself to coffee or lunch on your own. Spend an afternoon doing your hobby, whatever that is, without any distraction. And the goal is to fully focus on yourself without any demand on your attention from other people and also without feeling guilt. Making self care daily non negotiable, turn it into a routine like brushing your teeth or getting enough sleep may seem challenging and difficult at first if you're not used to it, just like everything else. But over time, prioritizing yourself will leave you feeling happier, healthier, and more energized, then you can be more productive. And you'll also be modeling good self care habits for those you care about, your family and your children. So, in conclusion, promise yourself that you'll make time for self care today. You can do it, you can make it happen. And I believe in you. Your future self will thank you for it. And don't let another day go by without recharging your battery. And you can do it throughout the day as well. So it doesn't have to be after your work. Right? And it's also just make sure you make it as a priority. And it's time to start nurturing yourself as much as you nurture your to-do list. And here's the thing, your well-being is totally worth the investment now and always. So thank you for watching and let me know if you have any other questions. And I would like to close with a quote. This quote is from Ariana Huffington. If you read the book, probably heard the story about how she experienced a burned out induced fainting episode. And this is a quote from Ariana Huffington. I meditate every day for 30 minutes. It's not an option, it's a necessity. And this is another quote from Bill Gates. He said, I don't have a lot of hobbies. My hobby is my work. But I make sure I take time off to completely get away from it to recharge. And if Bill Gates suggested that, I think it's a good idea. And let me close with one more quote from Mark Zuckerberg. I spend a lot of time alone in nature. I can camp. It's where I do my best thing. So where do you do your best thing? Just be aware of it right now. For me, it's in the shower. When I am running. A lot of times it's when I'm, by myself. So when is that time for you? So thank you for watching the video again. And I really would like to get some feedback. What you learn, what you like, what you notice. And so that's it for now. God bless. You've got this. I believe in you. And stay one. Let's go. See you on the next video.